Welcome. If you're looking to make your Roblox gameplay smoother and more comfortable, especially if you're sensitive to motion effects or just want a simpler experience, today I'll show you exactly how to enable the new Reduce Motion setting on your PC using the latest Roblox app update. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open and running on your PC. If you haven't updated to the newest version, now's a good time to do so, since this feature is available in the latest releases. Once you're in, look for the More icon in the app. It's usually located somewhere along the bottom or top of your screen, often represented by 3 dots or lines. Give it a click. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. It's here where all the magic happens for customizing your Roblox experience. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of categories. Scroll through until you find the section called Device Preferences. Click on that to open up even more options. Here's where you'll find the Reduce Motion feature. You might notice that it's turned off by default, so all those fancy animations and sliding menus are running at full speed. To change this, simply click or toggle the switch next to Reduce Motion. As soon as you enable it, you'll notice a difference right away. The app will start minimizing or removing certain screen effects and animations. For example, instead of menus sliding in and out, they'll simply fade in and out. This can make a big difference if you experience motion sickness or just prefer a calmer, more streamlined interface. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Reduce Motion on the Roblox app for PC. No need to restart the app or your computer. Changes take effect immediately. You can always return to these settings and adjust them as you like, depending on your preferences or needs. So whether you're looking to reduce distractions, make your gameplay more comfortable, or just want a smoother experience, this simple tweak can make a real difference. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your Roblox adventures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy gaming!